is up? It is DeCo's here, back with a video watch list for tomorrow, Friday, June 26, 2020. I'm going to go over three tickers today: EKSO, VXRT, and AYTU. All running for various different reasons, but let's first look at EKSO. EKSO was alerted in our chat room around here, 8:30, 8:15-ish, and it just took off from 3 all the way up to 6, and then it just keeps going. I can expect this to run again tomorrow. Why? Well, let's look at some of the key details. The float, 4.4 million. That is not a lot of float. Next, what happened today? EKSO had a lot of halting, but we don't know. Oh, because they got FDA approval, clearance to market exoskeleton for use with acquired brain injury patients. This is huge news. As I was an engineer, I did a research paper into this actual specific company just because of what they were doing was big. With FDA approval, it's going to be huge. So look for this to be a play tomorrow. Potential dip buy. Right now, it's 6:47 p.m. Eastern Time, and I would probably get in this if I had the extra equity to spare. Next is going to be VXRT. Whoa, what the heck happened here? Well, VXRT is a COVID play. Another play that was alerted in our Discord for the anonymous traders. Link in the description. Y'all should get in. Great gold news. VXRT has some COVID oral solution vaccine. It's just a COVID play, so it is running off of that. And next, it's usually a multi-day runner, so especially with the COVID on the rise, look for a good dip play opportunity if you do not want to take it overnight. But typically after a huge green day like this, they have a second one. AYTU, let's look at them. With their float of 110 million, it's pretty high float, but they're spiking at the end of the day. Why? Hand sanitizers offer peace of mind in an increasingly connected world. So they're a hand sanitizer play. For what? The virus. So look at these three tickers. They are going to be great plays for tomorrow. If not a good play overnight for a gap up, then a good dip buy opportunity, because these stocks are running. They're up high off their lows. I would get in. I would look for a play, but be careful because I am not a professional trading advisor. So trade at your own risk. Y'all have a good time, fam. Peace.
Are you tired of getting in hot moving stocks late? Does your current breaking news software break your bank? Getting fed up with poor software performance? Well, ditch what you have now for Benzinga Pro, the fastest and most reliable breaking news source on the web. With a fully customizable workstation and on-time push notifications to your desktop, you will never be late again catching that hot stock. Benzinga Pro beats its competitions hands down in both performance and customer support. Click on the link in the description and use code MADAZ25 for 25% off Benzinga Pro for life. Want to test it out before you buy? No worries. You can try Benzinga Pro 2 weeks free with no obligations. No credit card information needed, just an email address and your phone number. Sign up today and make more money.